Imagine you are in a new city and feel hungry. You search, best burger near me. Google shows nearby restaurants, ratings, reviews, photos, opening hours, distance, and directions. But why does one restaurant appear near the top while another stays hidden? This is where local SEO becomes important. Local SEO is the process of helping a local business appear when nearby customers search for products or services. It is especially important for restaurants, cafes, clinics, salons, gyms, dentists, shops, and repair services. These searches often show strong buying intent. Someone searching dentist near me or pizza open now is usually ready to call, visit, book, or buy. The first major part of local SEO is the Google Business Profile. This is the business listing that appears on Google Search and Google Maps. It can show the business name, address, phone number, website, opening hours, photos, services, menu, ratings, reviews, and directions. For many local businesses, this profile may be more important than the website because customers often make decisions directly from Google Maps. A strong profile should be complete, accurate, and regularly updated. The second part is reviews. Customers use reviews to judge whether a business is reliable, professional, clean, affordable, and worth visiting. A business with strong ratings and many genuine reviews usually feels safer than one with no reviews. Businesses should ask satisfied customers for honest feedback and respond professionally to both positive and negative reviews. The third part is local keywords. These are searches that combine a product or service with a location. Examples include dessert shop in Bradford, dentist in Leeds, emergency plumber near me. These phrases can be used naturally on the website, service pages, titles, descriptions, and Google Business Profile. The fourth part is accurate business information. The business name, address, phone number, and opening hours should be consistent across Google, the website, social media, directories, delivery platforms, and review websites. Different information creates confusion for customers and search engines. Photos are also extremely important. Restaurants need strong food photos. Salons need before and after examples. Clinics need clean and professional images. Hotels need room and facility photos. Good photos reduce doubt and help customers imagine the experience. Distance also affects results. Google considers how close the business is to the person searching. However, it also considers relevance and prominence. This means a slightly farther business with stronger reviews, better photos, and complete information may beat a closer but weaker competitor. The website still matters as well. It should clearly show services, prices or menus, location, opening hours, contact details, reviews, booking options, delivery links, and directions. Local SEO is not only about appearing in search results. It is about making the business easy to find, trust, contact, and choose. The simplest definition is this. Local SEO helps nearby customers discover and choose local businesses through Google Search, Maps, reviews, websites, and local platforms. The next topic is conversion rate optimization, how small changes to websites, forms, offers, and checkout systems can turn more visitors into customers.